Toyota Prius, third generation. Brake pressure, some pump. It was that faults which I showing before. Changed that. It's quite bit work, but second time it's gonna be easier. You must take out all wipers and this panel, and after you can dig it and go deeper, and it's possible to change. What I have done after, cleared all fault codes, and that's it. Also I have bleeded that, take out air. Take out air I have done like that. This pipe red one I open on this self ABS unit, which is up here in our unit where it's connecting, and I open doors and it's trying to build pressure, and after that I again close doors because it was low pressure, nothing. After again I open and start car, and here is coming very big pressure. What? It's big pressure, and after I stopped car and tight it, fill it up more brake with brake liquid .4, and after I drive, car is driving nice. Have get that from crashed car, another unit, and that's it. Here I think is brushes have weared, so sometime is lost connectivity, and it's coming ABS lamps, everything, and like that. See you next time.